Hello everyone, welcome back. Draw the line like this to make the face. Make the eyes, nose and mouth. Make the neck. Now we have to make the hands, hairs and then the hairs of the girl. Make a bow like this. Color it and it's done. Next we have to draw the shape like this. Turn the sheet. On the top of it we have to make the hat of the Santa Claus. Make its nose, eyes and the full body of the Santa Claus like this. So you can see we have made its hands. Make its belt, color it and it's done. Next, we have to draw letter R. Now, join the lines. Make the hairs of the girl in the front. Make its eyes, hands and legs. Now, after that, we have to make the hand of the girl and the rain droplets and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines like this. Make the face. Make the eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its neck and the shoulder. Now, make the hairs of the girl. Make her ponytails on the sides. And it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines like this. Now, draw another one in the same manner. Now, draw a letter U. Make the eyes, nose and the mouth of the boy. Now, make the collar and the shoulder of the boy. You can turn the boy into a girl by making the plates like this on the sides and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines like this. Now, make the face, ears and the hairs of the girl. Make a crown on the top like this. Make the eyes, nose and the mouth. Now, after that, we have to make its shoulder and it's done. Next, we have to make the hairs. So first draw the face like this. Now after that we have to make the collar of the girl like this. Make the hairs as shown in the video. After that color it like this and your painting is done. Next you have to draw the lines. Now make the hairs on the sides. Make its face, eyes, ears and the nose. Now make the muffler on its neck. Make its hands, bow on the hairs, color it and your painting is ready. Next you have to make the lines like this. Now make the ears, face, eyes, nose and the mouth. Now we have to make the hands, collar and then we have to make the hairs like this and it's done. Next make the line and make a muffler. Now make the hairs as shown in the video. So you can see we have made the snowman. Now make its hat on the top and then make its eyes, nose and the mouth of the snowman. Make its hands and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching a video.